Hi friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Yama. In this video we are talking about IFRS and its impact on the global economy. So let's dive into it. IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards. It is a set of high-quality global accounting standards that regulate how transactions and accounting events should be processed and reported in financial statements. IFRS standards are issued and maintained by the IASB. IASB stands for International Accounting Standards Board. IASB aims to create IFRS standards that increase efficiency, accountability, and transparency in global financial markets. Without accounting standards, companies will likely manipulate financial figures and conduct fraudulent activities. So if IFRS standards did not exist, investors would be less likely to trust financial statements provided to them by corporations. Hence, without trust, we may see fewer transactions and a weaker global economy. So the IASB ensures that its IFRS accounting standards give investors and other stakeholders information about a company's financial performance that is consistent, comparable, and reliable. From the inception of IFRS in 1973 until 2001, the International Accounting Standards Committee was responsible for issuing international accounting standards. During those 28 years, the International Accounting Standards Committee has issued these 41 IAS standards. As of 2022, these 25 IAS standards are still actively in place, and companies are bound to comply with them. In 2001, the International Accounting Standards Board came into existence and replaced the old International Accounting Standards Committee. Since then, the board has revised some IAS standards, replaced some with new International Financial Reporting Standards, and issued new IFRS standards on subjects for which there were no previous IAS standards. IAS standards that have not been withdrawn have the same ranking as IFRS standards. In June 2003, the IASB issued IFRS 1, the first standard under the newly structured board. They had an option to continue with the sequence and start issuing new standards from IAS 42, but they chose not to do so and named their newly issued standard as IFRS. So far, the IASB has issued these 17 IFRS standards, and entities must comply with them at all times, except for IFRS 17, which will become effective from January 1st, 2023. IFRS accounting standards are globally adopted. As of now, 167 countries around the world use IFRS accounting standards. The IFRS Foundation has categorized those countries into 5 groups. Number 1. Countries that require IFRS standards for their domestic public companies. Number 2. Countries that do not require but permit IFRS standards for their domestic public companies. Number 3. Countries that require or permit the use of IFRS standards for their listings by foreign companies. Number 4. Countries that permit or require the IFRS for SMEs. And number 5. Countries that consider using IFRS for SMEs in the future. Choose any of the options, then click Filter. As you can see, the list of countries based on your chosen group will appear here. To conclude, we need IFRS accounting standards to ensure that investors have access to reliable and transparent financial information, which encourages trust and stability in the global economy. However, by encouraging corporations to be financially accountable, IFRS standards help to promote economic growth. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I will be uploading more videos on each IFRS and IAS standard. If you are interested in learning more about these standards, do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any new video when it becomes available. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you hopefully in another video. Bye bye.